Good evening once more. So this is a video about Instagram. I was going to do one about posts, but I decided to do something different. Probably no one really does it. I'm sitting on a remote control. Best idea. So logged in account. Not really up to date a lot. Instagram's doing. I think that's similar to Facebook because Facebook owns them. They're doing the videos, the reels. It's something that I really need to look into. But I focus on my blog, website, YouTube, of course, and email marketing. The social media is secondary, but it's just on getting traffic. But it does work when you do all these methods combined. Sort of thing. So we've got different accounts, people you can follow. There's that follow and follow method. And then we've got create posts, so you can, our company does images, so just example, go to desktop, got images here somewhere, so here's one, you can open that and then next, something here, and then write your post and then with your hashtags. I use AI, which you can see a video I've done about that. Can I use that for everything now? The content, but we will discard that. I'm not really going to look at these methods. They're reels, notifications. Going to go in messages. The thing why this works quite well if you just go into some I don't even read just because it's just hey, how's it going? You showed up, suggested friend. It's just usual kind of rubbish really. Terrible pitches. What was the worst one I had? We offer a partner option, lifetime partner, so which is phenomenal. So this link will be in description. So one of the worst copies was join as a partner because maybe you're looking for a partner's not worked out. So I'm married, I don't need to worry about that. But it was really terrible pitch. So I've got a lot of messages I haven't responded to. So going to him or her perhaps. Um, she's put hi, do you want to see a platform? So all these ones, this one here, thanks for connecting. Um, let's see, another one. Right, so this one here, please like introduce yourself. And then the YouTube video. So they all just pitch right away. So if you go into our program, our partner program, even the free course we have, it's about giving value. Even in the emails we send, it's what one's a product. So we'd have a story and we'd have given value. If you go into our course, it goes into in a lot more detail. So I've got this mindset. I'm not going to contact this person. We're going to put something that we would put. So put hey, just because a lot of, not just in America, but a lot of people learn English from America. So hey is the term, even Scotland, right? Hi, or the UK. Um, Half the time they just write, well, she wrote, please allow me to introduce yourself. So to even know what my name is. One of the worst times you get these things and they've got the wrong name, so they use some sort of system that reads the name, but it's not done it right. It's just all automated, but it just puts people off. So we go hey, and then him or her is Sharifa. So we make it personal. to them, that we're kind of caring, we're kind of interested in them. How are you doing? I was just on Instagram and I seen your message, so this shows that we took time to read it and we're making it personal. I also am on YouTube, so we're kind of connecting a wee bit. I'll take a look at this when I can, and then we're focusing on them. So, what is your business exactly? And then might write, since it's still the weekend here, what are your plans for the weekend? So, we just really want to make it personal and not looking to pitch and then have sort of messages back and forward. So it's a bit like if you're in a bar, you're speaking to someone and have a drink, getting to know them, they're getting to know you. And this is the kind of thing that we'll do, two or three messages like this, focusing on them, and then through time, we then pitch later on. We introduce, but even with that, we're introducing our business and what we're doing and what our plans are. So there's lower leads, amount of leads doing this, but they're really high in quality. You've not got them from an ad. They're buying you. So this is a method that no one does. You should really consider it. And I'll put the link in the description of our business and you can take a look at it. Bye bye for now.